banner section switches at any interval to show sponsor advertising. Better yet, sponsor ads will text back information to your cell phone based on a code number that you text to a certain phone number, so that everyone at the drive-in can get information to go about whatever advertiser. And the sound,
accelerating our disconnection and causing extensive damage to our climate and all other natural systems.
There's a fundamental illusion in the world that somehow people are separate from nature, when the reality is that we are part of nature. In fact, we are nature. And that's probably the most fundamental misunderstanding in the world that's causing all this havoc.
I think one of the reasons why it's so difficult for people to get it that we're connected with nature and to even understand the fundamentals of eco-literacy is because in many ways it flies in the face of the assumptions of our culture. Our culture is built on the assumption that we
looking forward to it.